Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add someone in Life360. First of all, launch open your Life360 application on your device and log into your account. Select the circle from the top that you want to add members on and then click on the settings icon or the gear icon at the top left. From the settings menu, click on Circle Management. Now, click on Add Circle Members. You will see an invite code which you can send via text, email, or any app to the person you are adding. Click on Send Code and then select a contact from your mobile device, or you can also select a contact from any social messaging apps or even your phone's contact. After selecting a contact, you can forward this message with an invitation link, and then once they join in, they'll appear in your circle and their location will be visible on your Life360 app. Now you can stay connected knowing that your members are safe and they can do the same for you. Whether it's for family, friends, or peace of mind, Life360 makes sure no one is ever truly out of reach. If you found the video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I will be back again with more helpful and useful tips and tricks. Goodbye till then.